There is a new feature in NotebookLM, and when you combine that with anti-gravity and Gemini, you unlock superpowers.
Google just turned NotebookLM into a business weapon and nobody noticed.
NotebookLM just got huge upgrades. And not only can you now leverage these upgrades in NotebookLM, you can connect it to Gemini, its most powerful model in the Google family, and also Google's anti-gravity. Now, let's start with Gemini. So in Gemini, you can now actually chat with any of your notebooks in NotebookLM.
NotebookLM now connects to Gemini and AntiGravity, editable presentations, personal intelligence that reads your email and Drive, unlimited content styles, all free. This one upgrade replaced 3 tools I was paying $200 a month for. If you're at a 9 to 5 wondering how people build AI side hustles, this is the starting line.
And you can also leverage something called personal intelligence that lets Gemini understand whether you want to understand things about your email, your Google Drive. It's super powerful, meaning you can get personalized, wonderful insights.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
Then we have the NotebookLM itself. Now you can actually create editable PowerPoint presentations from your notebooks now. You can download those. You can also vibe edit decks, which I'm going to show you exactly how this works. And you can also do this in unlimited styles, and I'll show you some really...
But upgrades mean nothing if your output looks generic. Step 2 shows you how to steal any brand's look in 2 minutes.
Let's say you had a look and I want something like presentations. What we can do is reverse engineer any design we want to feed into our style, right? So let's say that we like the vibe and style of, just as a for instance, let's pick this one at the top here, right? Let's go with these big, bold, blocky colors. Okay, very, very cool. What we can do is screenshot this.
Screenshot any brand design you like. Throw it into Gemini. It reverse engineers the colors, typography, vibe, and philosophy in seconds. Feed that into NotebookLM. It generates a fully styled presentation that looks agency built. Clients pay $500 to $2,000 for decks like this. You just made one in 2 minutes with 0 design skills.
Like this, going to come down and we'll grab all of this and then clipboard and then head over to Gemini. Now, the reason we're using Gemini, and we'll come back to Gemini in a second, is because it's the best model on earth right now at what we call multimodal communication. So in terms of image and video, it's wonderful. So we're going to give it the following prompt. Hey there, Gemini. I would like you to extract from this image the core tenets of its brand philosophy.
A pretty deck means nothing if you can't think across all your knowledge. Step 3 unlocks Gemini's real superpower.
NotebookLM is almost like it has a RAG database, right? So it can store insane amount of information. But when you ask it questions, and this is so important to understand because it'll improve your usage of it and you'll get way better results, it can only pull from the information and data that it's got, right? If I ask it, hey, is this guy blue? It will check the files to tell me that. It's what we call local.
NotebookLM is local. It only knows what's inside its own files. Gemini is the global librarian, reads your notebooks and thinks beyond them. Chat with multiple notebooks at once. Get strategic advice. Reason across everything you've stored. That's the difference between a tool and a business partner.
Right? It's not global. It will look in the books. The best analogy of this, if you speak to Gemini about these things, Gemini is a librarian who says, hey, you've got the information in this book, but I also happen to know information from several other books, and it'll give you an overview. NotebookLM will only tell you the stuff that's in it. So when we bring it over to Gemini or anti-gravity, we're getting more of a global overview.
Now you understand the brain. Step 4 plugs it into the machine that actually builds things.
Validate that it's that by clicking on these dots, coming down to MCP servers, and then clicking over here, manage MCP servers, and then you'll see NotebookLM on the left-hand side, which will be right here, and we have 29 different features and skills that we can use now in anti-gravity. How freaking cool is that? And as you can see, it's pulled back the latest notebook for me, which is anti-gravity AI web development.
Connect NotebookLM to AntiGravity. 29 features activate, query any notebook, pull knowledge into anything you're building, 0 context window burned. You build a library of business intelligence, and anti-gravity grabs exactly what it needs, when it needs it. This is how you go from freelancer to agency-level operator.
And automation systems. Now, use case number one is this idea that we can build these beautiful Alexandria's library of knowledge and then query it in anything that we're building in anti-gravity. For example, I could say something like, hey, dude, just query this notebook and just give me 3 facts about anti-gravity, please. So what's a good example of a use case here? So say that you and I are running a business together, right? What we can do now is
29 skills mean nothing with an empty library. Step 5 shows how anti-gravity builds your knowledge empire automatically.
Then we can build near ad infinitum individual resources to help us learn and crush that together. And as you can see, it's got, look, we think you need to learn conversion rate optimization, awesome, e-commerce growth and marketing, awesome, and customer retention and email marketing. And now it's going to go ahead and spin up separate notebooks on all those 3 topics.
Tell anti-gravity your business goal. It identifies the exact topics: conversion optimization, marketing, customer retention, spins up separate notebooks for each, then fills every single one with deep research. 55 sources in one notebook alone. That's a $5,000 consulting package created in one prompt, free.
Now you think about this, you're building any software, any website for your clients or SaaS, you can have anti-gravity pull it up specifically for knowledge areas that you want to learn about and then go and create audio overviews, presentations, anything that you want.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
And we've even got links now to go and check them out. So we can click on open a NotebookLM and see what that looks like. And we pull this one up. And as you can see, it's already begun. Now it says it's created them and they're empty. I'm going to say, go ahead, dude, fill them up with the best knowledge possible.
Unlimited knowledge means nothing without deliverables. Step 6 turns all of it into things clients pay for.
How freaking crazy is that? So we can do Google Slides as well, by the way. So we come back over to anti-gravity. I'm going to give the following prompt. I'm going to come over and we need to go and grab the skill. Hey there, I've attached a skill that lets you grab any presentation from NotebookLM and turn it into a Google Slides or a PowerPoint presentation. I want you to grab for me a presentation from my anti-gravity notebook, and I want you to convert that into a Google Slides.
Anti-gravity grabs your notebook content and converts it into a complete Google Slides or PowerPoint presentation. Slides, formatting, structure, done. Open it up. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way down. Edit it. Add images. Customize anything. Clients pay $500 to $2,500 for presentations like this. You made one in 60 seconds with free tools.
Document for me, please, so I can scroll through and go through as a presentation. And then we can open this up and guys, look at this. Look at what we've got. I've opened this from Keynote. Look, I've got slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, slide 5, all the way down. This is crazy. And I can add things to it. I can add this image. I can add whatever I want to within this presentation. And bear in mind, you can export these from NotebookLM if you want to, but if you don't have that feature yet, you can just build this and stuff with anti-gravity.
That's the UNLOCK framework. 6 steps, 0 cost. The only thing between you and your first AI client is doing it. Stop scrolling, start building. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.